Hello viewers. So in this video we are showing you a 3 BHK east facing flat of Icon Fortune Towers located in Vidyanagar Guntur. And here's the living room. The room is finely crafted with beautiful interior work. And in the living room we have a small puja area. And now we are heading towards the dining hall. So here it is. The dining hall is also well furnished. And just opposite to this we have an open modular kitchen designed with parallel platforms. And the kitchen also has a utility balcony attached to it. And here comes the first bedroom. The room has a nice space. And it comes with an attached washroom. And here's the wardrobe area. And next we have the second bedroom. So this room is also spacious and nicely designed. And it comes with an attached washroom. So all the washrooms of this flat are designed with Western style sanitary fittings. And the room has well designed wardrobes. And lastly we have the third bedroom. So this is the view of the room. So viewers, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching.